We will see how to fix the Birdfy live feed not showing after update. Camera feed troubleshooting guide. The fix 1, restart the Birdfy app and camera. Completely close the Birdfy app on your phone. Reopen the app and try loading the live feed again. If the problem continues, reboot the camera using the reset or reboot hole or reboot button, depends on your model. Now press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds to turn the camera back on and wait a minute and test the live feed again. Now fix to check your internet connection. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the live feed loads. Then pull down on the Birdfy app home screen to refresh the device list. If possible, sign in into your Birdfy account on another phone to determine whether the issue is device specific. The fix 3, verify the camera Wi-Fi connection. Confirm that other devices can access the internet through the same Wi-Fi network. Then restart your Wi-Fi router if the network is unstable. Now move the Birdfy camera closer to the router if the signal is weak. If needed, connect the camera to a stronger 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve the coverage. Fix 4, test for a router compatibility issue. Enable a mobile hotspot on another phone. Temporarily connect your Birdfy camera to the hotspot. If the live feed works normally, the issue is likely related to your home router. Now create a guest Wi-Fi network or adjust your router settings before reconnecting the camera. Now the fix 5, check for app and firmware update. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the latest version of the Birdfy app if an update is available. Now open the Birdfy app and check whether a firmware update is available for the camera. Now complete any pending update and restart both the app and camera afterward. And the last fix, confirm your device supports live streaming. So open the Birdfy app, go to device setting, then scroll down and look for the live stream option. If this option is missing, your Birdfy model does not support the live streaming feature. Goodbye and thanks for watching.